And as you can see right here, guys, these guys have made over $190,000 with this method, and I'm going to show you exactly how they did it. What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you a huge trend that just picked up this week, and people are making very good money from this right now. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what this is and how you can make money with this trend. Now, this trend will actually roll on into the new year. I know that's a little bit premature. It's still 2023, but you can still make money with this in 2024. But right now it's huge, so you are going to want to jump on this to make the most money, because it is time sensitive from kind of like now over the next few months. So you are going to want to jump into this. So make sure you pay attention, and I'm going to take you through everything that you need to know step by step on how to make money online with this trend. And yes, this will work worldwide. It doesn't matter what country you're in. So let's jump into this tutorial, and I will show you how to make money online with this massive trend. And you can actually use AI for this as well if you want to. You don't have to, but you can. So I'm going to show you two ways on how you can make money with this. Let's jump in. So before we dive into this, we're going to go ahead and take a look at this. And as you can see, this person has made $195,000 doing this particular method. And this one here has done around about $3,000. I'm not $3 million. Sorry, I'm not sure why there's no dots here, but I'll just refresh this so you know that this is legitimate. I have not edited it or anything. This is just a software. It might be glitched out right now, but $3 million they have made, and they've got 119,000 sales. So we're going to dive into this, and I'll show you exactly how they're making this money. So I recently just purchased an iPhone 15 Max for my partner for Christmas, and I wanted to go ahead and buy her a case for this particular phone. But what I actually realized was there is a huge trend right now with the Apple iPhone Max, and the reason is because it obviously got released a few months ago or whatever, but more importantly, it is Christmas now. So a lot of people are buying these phones for their partners or friends or whatever. I mean, I don't know. I wouldn't buy my friend an iPhone 5, but you never know, iPhone 15. But there is a huge trend right now. It's really picked up in the last 7 days. So we can actually make money with this. This trend is huge. It's all the way up to 100 even. Yep, it hit 100 on the 13th, which was yesterday for me. So there is a lot of money to be made. So how can we go ahead and make money with this trend? Now, I'm talking about you can make money during Christmas, after Christmas, especially after Christmas, because that's when a lot of people are going to be getting given the iPhones over Christmas. So what we want to do is we want to go to Etsy, and I'm going to show you a special little trick. You can go into here and put in iPhone case. And we'll just say iPhone case, because just general iPhone case. And what we can do is you want to go to filters, and you want to hit and you want to click on star seller, and you want to go ahead and show 1,000 results. And then up in the search bar, in the URL bar here, you want to change the star to best. Okay. And what it's going to do is it's going to show us all of the best sellers. Now, what you'll actually notice here is a bit of a trend. The best sellers seem to be dog iPhone cases and things like that, like animals and stuff like that. Now, there's a few ways that we can actually go ahead and do this. I'm going to show you a way where you can use ChatGPT and AI imagery to go ahead and create these here, and you can actually make money with them. And then I'll show you another way that you can make money as well. But as you can see, the top sellers are dog cases. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and head over to ChatGPT, and you just want to ask it a very general question. I'll type it out and we'll come back. All right, so what I did is I asked ChatGPT to give me 20 ideas for a dog phone case design. And this is actually really cool. So it gives us these design ideas that we can go ahead and use. Now, what I've gone ahead and done is it's given us these minimalistic dog silhouette. That's actually, I think that will be a very good one. Watercolor paw prints, vibrant watercolor style paw prints arranged in an artistic pattern. I'm actually going to copy this one. This one looks quite good. And what you can do is we can actually go ahead and create these images, but you just go down here and it's given us some ideas that we can go ahead and use. The next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and use this. This is called ChatGPT Midjourney Prompt Generator. You can go ahead and you can actually go and put this into Google, and it will show up for you. And I'm just going to go ahead and put this in and see what happens. Now, I haven't actually gone ahead and done this one here. You usually need to say something like, give me a prompt for Midjourney. Give me a prompt for Midjourney So give me a prompt for Midjourney, vibrant watercolor style paw prints arranged in an artistic pattern. We're going to use that, and it's going to give us 3 different designs. Now you need to pay attention here because there's a specific way you need to put these designs into Midjourney. Now keep in mind, it actually gave me 1, which was weird. It usually gives us 3. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this and we're going to see what this looks like. It might not look good. It might look good. Let's have a look. So I'm now in Midjourney. If you don't know what that is, it's an AI bot. You can go ahead and Google it and you can see I've already been testing out some styles here. Now I'm going to have to show you a trick here. So I'm going to go /imagine and put in the prompt. Now we want to get rid of this at the end and we want to actually copy this here. So I might put this down in the description, --AR16 9 --V 5.1 and then --style raw --S 720. And you're going to want to replace it here. So get rid of that one and put this here and do this. And this is the reason why. If you don't do it, you're going to get weird images like this because it uses version 1. And if you do what I put in there, it's going to give you a very nice different type of style, a very much better style. This is actually the, I think that's the same prompt. No, it's not the same prompt. This is the same prompt right here, top and bottom. And as you can see, it's much different because version 5 and using that raw style gives us a much better example rather than this right here. All right, guys, so it's actually done its thing now. And it actually came out very good. I thought this did a very good job of this. So for example, I like the one on the left, top left here. So yeah, it's done exactly what we asked it to do. So if we go back here, I'm going to basically do one more as an example for this. We'll do the minimalist silhouette. And then we're going to take it over to Midjourney prompt generator. And I'm going to say, give me a prompt journey, a sleek. Let's let that do its thing. Then once that's done, we're going to take it over to Midjourney. So we're going to copy this here. We're going to then post it into here. We're going to take this prompt here and we're going to put this here. And I'm going to let that do its thing. We're just going to do 2 live examples to kind of show you what you can do with this method. All right, so it's actually done its thing and it said a popular dog breed like a Labrador or German Shepherd. And we now have a silhouette of a dog. So it's actually done its job really well. And we'll just go ahead and we'll make this one bigger here just so you can get an example. And what I'll actually do is, I'll use this one here. Number 2 for our example that we're about to do. But as you can see, we have this one here and I like number 2 better. So I'm going to go ahead and use number 2. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take number 2 and I'm going to go open in browser and we're going to save this to my computer. So I'm going to go save to my computer. And I'm going to use this now for the next example. So what I've done is I've showed you how to go and get an image. Use ChatGPT to get some iPhone case design ideas, and then use Midjourney prompt generator in ChatGPT. You can Google this to find it to get a prompt that you can then go ahead and put into your Midjourney bot, and then you just go ahead and change this little prompt at the end so you can get a nice crispy image with version 5.1 of Midjourney. Now, how do you actually go ahead and make money with this? It's very simple. We want to go and sign up to a website called Printify. And on Printify, we can go ahead and we can design these specific phone cases. So here's my test account here. And I'm going to go here and I'm going to go to catalog. And in the catalog section, we are going to find an iPhone case. And we can actually list it to Etsy. So I'm going to go phone cases here. And we're just going to click on a random case here. I'll just click on the bestseller. And then I'm going to go down to start designing. I already actually designed one as well, which I'll show you in a second. And I'm going to upload an image from my device. So now it's uploading the image of the dog. Now keep in mind, guys, I just quickly did this for this tutorial. So this image is not going to fit on the phone. But as you can see, it kind of looks okay, but you could potentially change the size. But there we go. We have a dog on the, we'll probably put that back a little bit more like that. and maybe this would be okay. I don't really know because I haven't done a lot of research in what images work the best. We've just gone to the best sellers in Etsy, but that could potentially be a image. And I'm going to go click Save Product. And now it's going to go ahead and show me all of the different designs. And honestly, this actually looks pretty good. Look at these designs here. This actually looks pretty good. It came out much better than I actually thought. We can go and look at this one here. And I think this actually looks quite good. I actually like it. Okay, it turned out a lot better than I thought. Sometimes you actually have to go ahead and look at the images to get a full perspective of what it's going to look like. And I think this looks amazing. Very nice color. It all blends really nicely. A nice silhouette of a dog. Now what you can actually do is you can link this to your Etsy account. Now I'm actually going to just save this as a draft because I want to show you another one that I did. This is the other one that I did before. Just tutorial just to test it out. And as you can see, once again, this is a very nice image as well. It's just loading here. I'll show you here. The image that I chose was this one right here. And as you can see, this is it right here. So creating the phone cases is very easy. And then what you do is you connect it to your Etsy account. And then when people actually buy from Etsy, the Printify website, or Printful, there's lots of different ones, will go ahead and send that out for you so you don't actually have to do anything. Now, another way to make money with this without using AI is to do something like this. What you can actually do is you can get people's photos and put them on. So for example, this listing right here is if you send them a photo, so what happens is people will send you a photo of their dog or cat or whatever, and you can go ahead and you can actually put that onto Printify. So you can go and use like ChatGPT or something to create like the little name, and this is the image here of this specific cat. And you don't actually have to create any content because they send the content for you. And this has 29,000 reviews. And you can go ahead and use Printify to do that as well. You just do the same thing, and what you do is you go ahead and drag that image on. Now what you can do is you can use ChatGPT and Midjourney to turn the cat or dog into a cartoon. You can find tutorials online on how you can do that. So you can essentially take the cat and make it into a cartoon. You can just kind of do that by going into Midjourney, and there's lots of prompts that you can do. They have like blend, they have all sorts of stuff that you can do to go ahead and turn an image into something really, really cool. So I would recommend you go and find a tutorial on how to do that. But that is how you can make money online right now with AI. I would jump on the Apple iPhone Max Trend 15 trend right now because people are buying this up for Christmas. I'll see you guys in the next video on how to make money. This is a great way to make money online. I'll see you then. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, tap that notification bell, and I'll see you then.